Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our last class, we learned the structure of heart and how blood flow in heart. Today in this video, we are going to learn the next requirement for the transportation, that is the network of tubes. Okay, so there are some tubes which are connected to each other and form a network-like structure. Okay, so that tube, that is a blood vessels. Okay, so what is blood vessels? Blood vessels, they are closed and hollow tubes which transporting the blood from heart to different organ and from different organ to heart. Mainly three types of the blood vessels: artery, vein and blood capillaries. Arteries. What is artery and what is the function of arteries? First of all, artery, they carry the oxygenated blood from heart to other organs. So, in artery, the blood flows at a very higher pressure. Okay, and because of this reason, the wall of arteries are thick and elastic in nature. The next point: from all the arteries except pulmonary artery, this pulmonary artery that carries the deoxygenated blood to lungs. Okay, blood vessel. Next type of blood vessel, that is a vein. What is vein? What is the function of vein? Okay, in that vein, they carry the deoxygenated blood from different organs of our body to heart. So the blood flows in vein is somewhat a lower pressure, and because of this reason, the wall of vein are thin and less elastic. From all the veins except pulmonary vein, this pulmonary vein carry the oxygenated blood from the lungs. So in exam the question put सकते हैं the difference between arteries and vein. So you can write the difference between artery and vein from this point. Okay, now the next type of blood vessels, that is a blood capillaries. What is blood capillaries? They are nothing but arteries and veins. जो artery और vein होती है वो आगे जाके smaller to smaller tubes में divide हो जाती है and form a very thin tubes. That thin tubes is called as blood capillaries. Okay, so देखते हैं. On reaching an organ or tissue, the artery or vein divides into smaller and smaller vessels to bring the blood in contact with each cell. Okay, these smaller vessels are called as blood capillaries. Okay, so ऐसे there are ऐसे blood vessels के तीन types है: artery, vein and blood capillaries. Now the next topic, that is a lymphatic system. Okay, now lymphatic system. So here this lymphatic system is made up of lymph node, lymph vessels and lymphatic capillaries. By the combinations of these four, which four? First of all lymph, then lymph node, third one is lymphatic vessels and fourth one is lymphatic capillaries. By the combinations of these four, lymphatic system is formed. So let's talk about the lymph. What is lymph? Okay, lymph is nothing but a colorless fluid which also involved in a transportation. ब्लड के जैसा ही lymph एक ऐसा फ्लूइड है, लिक्विड है जो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में इन्वॉल्व होता है, बट here lymph is a colorless and blood is a red color. Okay, so lymph is a colorless fluid which involved in a transportation. Okay, this lymph is similar to blood plasma, but it contains a less protein. ब्लड प्लाज्मा है उसके जैसा ही उसका कंपोजिशन होता है, बट इसमें लिम्फ में प्रोटीन का जो अमाउंट होता है वो बहुत ही कम होता है. ओके, नाउ हाउ द लिम्फ इज फॉर्म एंड कैसे वो नेक्स्ट वेसल्स में या नेक्स्ट स्टेज में जाता है देखते हैं. थ्रू द पोर्स present in the wall of capillaries, some amount of plasma, protein and blood cell escape into intercellular space in the tissue to form lymph. That means here एक मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन आपको एग्जाम में पूछ सकते हैं, how the lymph is formed. Okay, so lymph is formed of plasma, protein and blood cells. Plasma, protein और blood cells से lymph बनता है. ओके, सो कहाँ पे बनते हैं ये? इन इंटरसेलुलर स्पेस. फिर से, थ्रू द पोर्स प्रेजेंट इन द वॉल ऑफ कैपिलरीज, सम अमाउंट ऑफ प्लाज्मा, प्रोटीन एंड ब्लड सेल्स, they escape into intercellular space in the tissue to form lymph. Intercellular space, that means the space between the cells. cells के बीच में जो space present होती है, that is an intercellular space. तो intercellular space में ये lymph बनता है. Now from the intercellular space, this lymph drains into lymphatic capillaries. Intercellular space से this lymph कहाँ जाता है? They drain into lymphatic capillaries. Now there are so many lymphatic capillaries. Okay, so all that lymphatic capillaries, they are joined to form a lymph vessels. Okay, so that means from lymphatic capillaries the lymph enter into a lymph vessels, and finally these lymph vessels open into a larger vein. Okay, so in this way lymph is transported lymph is transported around the body. Now what is the functions of lymphatic system? So in that, the first one, this lymphatic system, they carry the digested fat from the intestine. Second, they drains the excess fluid from the intercellular space and back into blood. And the third one, they protect against disease. Okay, different disease से हमको protect रखता है ये lymphatic system. Okay, one more time, the functions of it: they carry the digested fat from the intestine. We learned the digestive system, ह्यूमन डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम पढ़े हैं. इन स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन कंप्लीट डाइजेशन होता है. सो यहाँ पे किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? फैट की, दैट मीन्स लिपिड की. ओके, लिपिड का, फैट का डाइजेशन होने के बाद वो उसको कौन लेके जाता है? ये लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम. दे कैरी द डाइजेस्टेड फैट फ्रॉम द इंटेस्टाइन. सेकंड, दे ड्रेन एक्सेस फ्लूइड फ्रॉम द इंटरसेलुलर स्पेस एंड उसको वापस ब्लड में मिक्स कर देता है. एंड थर्ड, they protect against disease. वो different disease से हमारे बॉडी को प्रोटेक्ट रखता है. ओके, सो ये हुआ lymphatic